Guys, welcome back. We're back in New Hampshire. A little fall foliage for you here. It's a little on the cloudy side, but we got some rain. Yeah, you guessed it. We're back for some more VWs. I'm meeting up with my buddy Larry up here. This is his lead. So let's go see what we have. VW parts, New Hampshire. Got a loft full as well.
The extra stuff, if we got room. I don't know.
I don't know what he's sending down. Is he sending everything down or just
Whatever you guys can pile in there.
I don't know how to really
Stack?
Yeah, I mean,
well, it's just gonna have to get sorted again.
Yeah.
once it goes down the road, it's going to sort itself.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Got a nice early deck lid. Taunton, Mass. So we're here for that bug over there. We're gonna load that up. I think that's a 61 or 2.
The wrong way.
I'm glad I'm not responsible for the stacking, I can tell you that. Larry, what do you got up here? Oh, that's early. Nice. 58 maybe? Holy cannoli.
What's up, Jay? How's it
You
going?
you found some parts.
Yeah, 1 or 2. And a couple of cars.
And a couple of cars, yeah.
Let me sneak behind you for a second. That goes to me.
And this is how many years?
How many year accumulation, Herb? How long have you been into VWs?
I don't know.
It's scary. 30, yeah. Seems like yesterday though.
Yeah, it does.
So this is what we're bringing home. I think it's a 62. Okay. I have to hook this up in reverse. Dare I? Oh yeah. I cannot stand those. Dash doesn't look bad. Got a bumper. Serious mousage. That seat actually doesn't look too bad either. Door coverage got a little wet and wonky. Look at the rocker. A little bit of A-pillar rot, but that's not too bad. Got some psychedelic pink going on here. That can't be right. 2000, really? 2010? I can't imagine this was on the road. Oh, unless that was a leaf or a mouse, I'm not sure. Oh wait, those are snowflake taillights. This might be have a gas gauge on it? No gas gauge. This might be a 61. Unless those are not the correct fenders. Let's take another look at that. 61. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the fuel valve. Nice. So it's a 61. From going off of the fuel valve and the dash, I'm gonna say 61. What's got that going for it? Fairly early car. Larry bought my old trailer. I don't know what year this oval is. I think it's a 57. You can see it's on a Gia chassis, probably just to keep it out of the ground. '65 Gia convertible, I believe. Take you for a little walk. Some more fall foliage out on this nice property. What do you guys think? You think I'm crazy? Yeah, me too. Got some Christmas trees. Oh, what's this? That's late. Late model. What's this guy? Oh, is that, oh, 60, I didn't even know it's 67. 1 year only deck lid. You got your reverse lights. Not all of these came with that slope towel bar. She's a runner. 67 though. I didn't see this bus. We'll look at that here in a second. We got some deluxe bumpers. What we got in here? Full repaint. Oh, looks like it was it VW Blue? L633. Interesting seats. Are those spray painted? Yeah, I think they're spray painted. Oh yeah, studded snows. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta love New Hampshire. Yeah, L633. Love this color. Now, yeah, got a bus rear end. Another tranny. More snow tires. Oh, look at the patina on this. That's sweet. You can see that. 13 window. Got an old Benelli 2-stroke. That thing's sweet. 71, year I was born. 87, 88. Made in 87. I was close. Yeah, 88 with the white. And a bus full of VW parts. Is that an early bumper hanging up there? H5 1500 single. I just dropped the beast off. So, Blair, how is it? Smelly.
I think there's a lot of bad underneath the patchwork.
Yeah. It's got all kinds of rivet work. You did just find the snowflakes though.
The only good thing.
Got some nice seats. You guys didn't see, he had already had the oval loaded up before I got there. What year was this, a 57 body?
Yeah, 6 or 7.
6 or
I
7.
haven't run the numbers yet.
Not even sure what color it is. It's got some sweet patina. It's kind of like a green, huh, Lair? Greenish blue.
Yeah.
I got a 36. Nice.
I think there's 3 of them in there. That has no engine stampings on it.
Oh yeah?
I think maybe a factory rebuild.
Yeah, maybe.
Look at the stamp on the shroud. It says like bi-metal valves.
Oh yeah.
So maybe it was rebuilt.
Huh.
See anything?
Yeah, nothing on there. This thing's pretty solid actually. How's the part where mine's rusted?
Not horrible.
Oh yeah, see every oval I have, it always got a rust spot right there.
Huh.
I'll take it. Nice. Let's build this one.
Want to throw it on your pan?
Yeah. Oh wait, what are we doing today? This is episode 1 of the 59 ragtop restoration.
Update.
Update.
Let's push this out of the way and we'll go get it.
All right, we're gonna go get the 59. So guys, here it is. The day has finally come. Larry called me. He's starting the 59 restoration. So we're gonna get this thing down to his shop and get started. I'm excited. I've been looking forward to this. I can't wait.
Here's a roller. All that we're acquiring.
Who's going for it? Ron, go! There goes the hook.
Am I over there?
Good. All right, straight. So guys, this is the 65. Some of you have seen it. Larry just finished the full restoration on this car, so that is why he's bringing in the 59 ragtop. I'm gonna get going on the 59 and I can't wait to see it. Larry, this one's for sale.
It
Is that true? Wow.
It is.
This thing is, I looked this whole car over when I was on the rotisserie. I could not find a single area where you did any metal work on this car. It was just unbelievable. So whoever ends up with this one, fantastic car.
Runs and drives great. All matching number, even the engine. There's no color.
Oh yeah. They got the rain tray. Go ahead, let's have it. Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Hey, you want to go for a spin?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go for the foliage tour. It took me about 30 seconds to get in this car without scuffing the door panel with my big boots. First ride in the 65. He offered to let me drive it, but there's no way I'm gonna be responsible for a car this nice. I got nothing. Can't even touch anything.
Oh, you damn
good.
It does.
You guys that don't get the foliage, we may get snow, but I wouldn't trade fall for anything.
Beautiful time of year.
Beautiful time of year, exactly. I even enjoy cleaning up the leaves every day. Don't scuff that door panel.
We'll go around and then down the hill. Good foliage up by the farm.
Pole's good.
Yeah, it's got the big
Oh, you got a big bore in it?
board.
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
Slip-ins.
Yep. So what's that, 1385?
Is that what it brings it up to?
I think so. Or,
What,
yeah.
78 millimeters?
Or is it
87 or 82?
Is it 1285? I thought 1385. Nothing. I got.
See if we can make it up the steep hill.
Oh, it's got plenty of torque.
Not bad.
No, it's
See
got
the
plenty.
54 come up here.
Yeah, pin.
Oh,
Good to know. That might be-
out there. I don't know what you'll get for foliage. Turn around and head that way.
Yeah, we put the 65 in the field. We came back and the farmers had it decorated with pumpkins.
Yeah. Yeah, it's lawn art now.
Lawn art, yeah. That's an oldie, huh? Original farmhouse.
Oh, yeah. I don't even think we're gonna keep you.
Looks good out here with the foliage. What a car, man. That's it. 59 ragtops next.
That's it.
All right, guys. You guys that don't get the foliage, there it is. Have a good week. We'll see you soon.